How to register for Bolt application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to register for Bolt application. So first thing first, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have already downloaded and installed the application itself, and just tap on the open button to open the Bolt application. And once you open the application, you should land on this first interface page over here where you'll have to enter your phone number, or you can also actually sign in with your Google account or Facebook account. So for now I'll simply enter my phone number, and once I tap on continue, it will automatically send me a 4-digit verification code, and I should simply or automatically copy that and paste it over here. And now it should ask you to create an account by which will save your time by linking your social accounts. So you can actually continue with your Google account or your email. So I'll simply click on continue with Google. So now you just have to enter your first name and your last name, which appears on your ID or passport. And once you're satisfied, just tap on continue. And you should now simply set up a payment method, that is a pickup payment method for a more convenient ride. Later, so you can for now simply tap on the setup ladder and just click on enable notifications and allow it. And just like that, you have successfully registered for Bolt application. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.